Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with materials and the first rounds. Prepare DK yarn, a 3mm hook, and safety eyes. Start a magic ring and work 6 single crochet into it. Then pull the tail to tighten the center because a closed start prevents gaps. Once done, increase to 12 stitches by doing 6 increases in the next round. This sets the base for a proportional body. Make sure to keep even tension so your penguin won't become misshapen as you build height. You now shape the torso by following a standard increase sequence. Go from 12 to 18 then to 24 stitches to create a smooth curve, and once you reach the target circumference, stop increasing. Next, change to white for the belly by finishing a stitch and pulling the new color through the final loop so the transition is tidy. As you work even rounds for height, stuff lightly after several rows to avoid lumps. This maintains a firm but soft body, and you complete your penguin by placing safety eyes between the correct rounds, insert firmly and secure the washers. Then crochet a small triangle beak and 2 flipper shapes, sew them on symmetrically using a tapestry needle, and close the top with decreases while stuffing to the desired firmness. Once done, weave in ends and trim excess. If seams gape or shape shifts, check stitch tension and add a few surface stitches or extra stuffing. This troubleshooting tip fixes loose sections without unraveling work.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.